For this week's practice lesson, we will look at an example of how to paraphrase and cite properly. So we have this extract, which is a quote about negotiation. Let's suppose we want to add it to a writing. What some students on that level would probably do is take it as it is and add it to a writing without any reference to the original author. As you can see in this example, the writer transferred the text and just added an extra sentence in the end. This text reads well, but it is stolen, in other words, plagiarized, as there is no paraphrasing and no citation. Let's look at some ways to turn this text into an acceptable formal that will help you avoid plagiarism. The best way to do it is by an indirect quotation, in other words, paraphrasing with an added in-text citation. So please stop this video now and try to work with it by yourselves, and when you are ready with your paraphrasing, resume the video. So this is a suggested way to paraphrase, but never forget that this is just my way and you may come up with something very different but equally good and appropriate. As you can see, the two important keywords, communication and agreement, have not been paraphrased, but everything else has changed in a way that the meaning remains the same. A very important point in the existence of in-text citation. Make sure to never forget to cite your sources. The second way to transfer the author's text to your writing is by a direct quotation. Again, you can pause the video and do it by yourselves, and when you are ready, you can resume to see the answer. As you can see, the cited text appears in quotation marks and the citation follows right after. Like we mentioned earlier this week, direct quotations is not a preferred way to cite, and it should be used with caution and in moderation.